And there's another batch of onions right here. I'm going to go ahead and take this little patch right there. I'm going to make me a fish sandwich tonight. And I want onion down. Clean them right out here in the field, and we'll leave the discards right here where I took the onions out of. Oops. I'll go ahead and eat that. Yeah. Pretty good this time of year. When it starts getting hot in June, these things get really tough. You can't even chew them. And then in the fall, the bulbs, you can eat the bulbs. They're hard to eat. They're not really easy to chew. But boy, they're hotter than a pistol. If you cook them, they're pretty good. There. Look at that. How about that for a nice little harvest? I see a nice little patch of garlic right down here too that's in the pathway. A couple of them. I don't really need any garlic right now. Well, maybe we'll put some garlic on the sandwich. Why not? Right next to the pathway right there. They look to be pretty nice ones too. Let's lean this thing up a little bit. Seven of them. I've been replanting some of these big ones, but I've replanted a lot. I think I'm just gonna peel these and take them as larger morsels this time. There. I'll put this whole thing on the sandwich. I'll just make the sandwich just lousy with garlic and onion flavor. Lousy. All right.